I like coming here because your Wi-Fi was fast. I mean, you're one of the few spots that has a fiber connection with gigabit speed. It's good. So good, it scratched that part of my mind. Part that doesn't allow good to exist without condition. So I started intercepting all the traffic on your network. That's when I noticed something strange. That's when I decided to hack you. I understand what it's like to be different. I'm very different, too.
Hold on, I'll give you the money, I'll pay you. How much to go? I'll pay you.
That's the part you were wrong about, Rohit. I don't give a shit about money.